In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Forms after creating them. This is a simple process that will only take about 5 minutes. Let's begin by heading over to Google Drive. If you're not already familiar with Google Drive, it's a cloud storage service where you can keep all your documents, spreadsheets, and of course forms. So once you're there, we start by hitting the New button, which you'll typically find on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking New presents you with a list of options for creating various types of documents and forms. Now, among these options you'll see Google Forms. Clicking on this will bring up another set of options, with the choice to create a blank form or use one of the templates. In this case we're going to start fresh, so select blank form. You should now see a new form on your screen ready for you to fill out. The first thing you'll want to do is name your form. Think of a functionally descriptive title, something that encapsulates the purpose of your form. It makes it easier for you and others to identify it later. Right underneath the title field there's a space for a description. This is your opportunity to provide context or instructions for people who will be filling out the form. Including a clear description ensures respondents understand what the form is about and what information they're expected to provide. Once your form has a name and description, it's time to add your first question. Click on the space labelled Untitled Question and type in your question. You'll notice there are multiple question formats available like short answer, multiple choice, checkboxes and more. Choose the format that best suits the type of information you need to collect. After entering your question, it's time to add options, especially if you selected a multiple choice format. List these options so respondents can select one or more answers you're seeking. Remember, you can always change or add more options later if necessary. When you finish setting up your questions and options, take a moment to review everything. Ensure there are no typos and that the questions make sense. Once you're satisfied with the form, you may be wondering, how do I save it? Well, the great thing about Google Forms is that they are continuously saved automatically. To confirm your form is indeed saved, you'll notice a little form icon at the top left of your screen. Click on it and it will take you back to your Google Drive. You'll see your form now listed with the rest of your documents. And that's it, your form is safely stored and ready to share with others. Google Drive ensures that all your changes are saved in real time, so you can focus on creating the best form without worrying about losing any data. Thanks for tuning in, and now you know just how easy it is to save your Google Forms.